second, let me share the screen. The meeting is converting. You can see like this. Okay. Done. Has to join. Okay, no issues, right? So what happened? What happened, guys? So that guy, knowingly or unknowingly, what he did, or wantedly what he did, he just answered all the questions. Each question he answered A, B, C, D. He rounded all the options, guys. He got 160 by 160. He got 160 by 160. Actually, there is a bug in the software. What the software will do, it's simply checking whether the particular answer is correct or not, whether the particular answer is rounded or not. In the question, if the answer is B, it will check whether option B is rounded or not. If it is rounded, it is directly, it will give you the mark. In the same way, here what this guy did, he answered all the dots, all the options he answered, he rounded all the options. So for every question, of course, the answer should be A or B or C or D. So he got 160 by 160, guys. Okay, finally again they verified why he got 160 by 160. Did he is that much intelligent? He is like that. They verified and they came to know he just rounded all the circles, guys. Then what they did, that is the bug, guys. What is the actual use case here? What how you have to change the software, guys, again? So you have to modify your software. For every software there are what we can say, some goods and bads, right? So you have to think in lot of ways. You have to think in lot of ways. Please mute it. Please mute. Let me mute you all. Done. Okay, right? That is called bug. That is called bug. It is not working as expected. Then later they did some changes. Okay, and if more than one option is rounded, you have to round only one option. If more than one option is rounded in a question, the question, it won't be treated. Okay, they don't calculate that question. It will be simply cancelled. They just did that modification to the software, guys. Is that clear? What is a bug? If the software is not working as expected, that you can call it as a bug. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear? So every software will have bugs, guys. It's very common. Why? Because you might think differently. See, till that point, no one has an idea that we can answer all four options in a question. So it depends how you are using. You can find the bugs depends upon the usage, guys. Your bugs are going to be different in use case to use case. I may use SQL Server application in a different way. You may use SQL Server application in a different way. Some other person may use SQL Server application in a different way. But in any case, the logic has to work. The logic has to satisfy each and every requirement, guys. If it is not working properly, if it is not working as expected, that you can call it as a bug, right? Fine. So what Microsoft will do, before releasing the 2022 to the public, first they will release a test copy to the community people. They will ask the suggestions. If they will ask the feedback, if everything goes good, that's fine. Okay. If of course you will get lot of bugs initially. Okay, you will get lot of bugs. Like I'll download, you will download, and other persons like throughout the globe, lot of people are going to download. Why? Because they want to see what are the new features are there in the SQL Server 2022. What are the enhanced features are there in the SQL Server 2022. So simply they will download it, they will install it, they will work with it. They can find any bugs are there. They will send the report to the Microsoft, and Microsoft will clear all the bugs, guys. Okay, so CTP is nothing but it's a first test copy of a new software, or it's a first test copy of a SQL Server software, guys. It's the first test copy of SQL Server software. If Microsoft is trying to introduce any new version, it won't introduce the final version directly to the public. First it will introduce the test version to the public. Then if any bugs are there, it will collect all the information from the users. It will change the code accordingly, and it will release the second copy. The first copy is CTP copy, and the second copy is RC, guys, released candidate. Again it will release in the community, and again Microsoft will check any bugs are there. It will wait for the suggestions from the customers, from the users. Okay, if any bugs are still there, again it is going to modify, it is going to refine the software copy, and finally it will release RTM copy, guys. So every software, every version will have an RTM copy. Agree? SQL Server 2005 has its own RTM copy. That is the first published copy to the public, guys. That is the first published copy to the public. You can have, guys, you cannot install these two versions in your production environment. Just for testing purpose, you can use it. These are free, okay, but you cannot install on production environment, guys. Free versions you cannot install on production environments. That is illegal activity. There are a lot of free editions. I'm sorry, free editions are there. Free editions you cannot install on production environment. That is an illegal activity. If Microsoft came to know that you are using an illegal, you are using your SQL Server in a wrong way, they will impose some fines, guys. 3 to 4 times you have to pay, penalties you have to pay. So don't install any free editions directly on the production. But you can, I'll tell you about the editions, guys. We have different editions in the SQL Server. I'll explain it about the editions. So as these two are free, you cannot install on production servers. Just you can install on non-prod test server, stage servers, and you can practice. And if any suggestions are there, you can get back to Windows, Microsoft. Okay. So finally, they will refine the software copy. Okay, if they came to know, yes, this is the final version of software copy, there is no bugs and all, everything is good, and then they will release that RTM copy, guys. RTM means release it to the market, which is paid version, guys. This RTM is a paid version. You have to pay money to this RTM. So each server, each version will have its own RTM. 2005 RTM copy will be there, the first base copy of SQL Server, which was released to public. Okay, 2005 its own RTM, 2008 its own RTM, 2008 R2 its own RTM, 2012 RTM copy, 2014 RTM, 2016 RTM, 2017 RTM, 2019 RTM we are going to install, guys. Is it clear? Whenever you are installing any SQL Server, first you are installing an RTM copy of SQL Server, guys. Guys, is it clear, everyone? See, Shiva, getting error is different thing, Shiva. Okay, if you are not meeting the requirements, of course you will get the error. Don't think all errors means bugs only. Okay, if you don't know how to use that property, if you are using wrongly, you will get an error. Don't think that error is a bug. Error is different, bug is completely different, Shiva. Okay, so don't think error means that is a bug. You have, if you don't know the how to use that feature, you will use it wrong way, so definitely you will get the error. Errors are not bugs. If it is not expecting, if it is not working as expected, that you can treat it as a bug. Okay, guys, is it clear? Some errors due to because of bugs also. Yes, there is a chance some errors in the SQL Server, you can see some errors. Those errors because of bugs also. Okay, then Microsoft again, we are going to contact Microsoft, right? So guys, I'll tell you one important point. Support, Microsoft support. Okay, Microsoft support. Let me show you one website to you guys. SQL Server builds.blogspot.com, SQL Server builds.blogspot.com. So what and all versions are there? You can see all the versions here. Okay, you can see the latest version, SQL Server 2022, not yet released, guys. This is just announced, it was not released. Okay, you can see RTM, right? What is RTM?
Release to market.
Release to market means this is the first, yeah, release to market, release to manufacture, anything is fine. Okay, so this is the first base copy of each and every SQL Server version, guys. Okay, and SQL Server 2022, which is not yet released and just announced, guys. SQL Server 2019, you can see. Okay, the RTM, you can see one number, guys. I'll tell you what is this number and all, nothing to worry. SQL Server 2017, okay, SQL Server 2016, 2014, 2012, 2008 R2, 2008, 2005, 2007.0, 6.5, 6.0. Okay, we never use these options, guys. Okay, these are the earlier versions. Okay, we will never use. Okay, there are no more. Okay, existence of these versions, guys. Officially we'll call it as SQL Server 2000 onwards, and sometimes you might see this SQL Server 2000 also in your organization if it is a big organization and all, right? And if you can see here RTM copy. Okay, and just check here, guys. SQL Server 2019 support ended date, okay, 2025. Guys, can you see here 2025? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the
Yes, sir.
Microsoft SQL Server 2019 support is going to end by 2025, guys. When July 2025, July 1st, 2025, it is going to end. The support date is going to end, guys. Extended support date also will be there. Means Microsoft will support each SQL Server at least 10 to 12 years, guys. Microsoft, each version it will support 10 to 12 years. What is this support, sir? If you have any issue, okay, you can directly call to the Microsoft, there is a team, separate team. There also DBS will be there, SQL DBS will be there. Very much experts. They are the experts. They are the experts. Okay, they are the experts. And if you have any issue, you can call to them. They are going to help you, guys. But it's not free. It's a chargeable. Even though you are buying software by investing lakhs of money, but still if you have any issue, you have to call to Microsoft team. They will going to fix you out. They will charge you per hour. They will charge you $300, guys. If you took 1 hour support, they will charge you 21,000 rupees. uh, Guys, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Right, guys? Okay. So each version will support only for a particular period, guys. Microsoft will give you the support until 2025. This is just support date, and we have extended support date also. That is your 2030. Right? So Up to 2030, if you have any issues on SQL Server 2019, you can directly call to Microsoft team. Of course, you will have your DBAs. Your DBAs are going to fix the issues. But still, if your DBAs can't fix the issues, you can directly call to the Microsoft team. They are going to fix you, but they will charge $300. Big issue or small issue, they are going to fix you, but they will charge $300 per hour. Per hour, not per month. Per hour, they will charge $300. In case if your issue is taking 3 hours time, you have to pay $900. How much? $900 into 70. How much you have to pay? Almost all 65,000 you have to pay to the Microsoft. In case if you are having any issue which drags up to 3 hours, guys. So until this 2030, after 2030, even though you want to pay extra money, they don't support you. Okay, even though you are paying, they don't support you, guys. Up to 2030 only they will give the support. Again, in the meanwhile, up to 2030 means almost all 2-3 new versions are going to be released, right? So definitely you have to migrate to the new versions. That is their strategy. Is it clear, guys? Everyone, is it clear? Any issues, any doubts? Please let me know. Support date, extended date, support, Microsoft support. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Please.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
each and every SQL server will have a support date, guys. Each and every SQL server will have a support date, and you can see here. Extended date, support date. You can see in the red color means it was already crossed, but they will give the support till 2026, guys. And if you see here for some old versions, you can see here Microsoft SQL Server 2000 already the extended support date is also completed 2013 itself. For 2005, the extended support is already completed 2016. Now, if you are using 2000 or 2005, if you are having any issues, you cannot call to Microsoft. If you call to Microsoft, they don't support you, guys. Usha, I has a doubt for older versions which they don't support. Still, we have to pay for that versions to Microsoft. Yes, that's correct, Usha. Okay. If you are using, you have to pay. But there is one correction. You can use it once the support date is ended. You can use it, but not that much amount you have to pay. There is a concession. You have to pay that much concession, Usha. Not completely free. Otherwise, everyone will use old softwares only. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Right. So if you see here, SQL Server 2000. You can see the support date is 2008 to 2013. So for 2000 also it was completed. Extended support is also completed for 2008. Extended support is completed by 2019, guys. And 2008 R2 also extended support date is completed by 2019. Okay. For SQL Server 2012, it is going to complete by July 12th, guys. It is going to complete by July 12th. Okay. So means in the next seven months, the support date is going to end for SQL Server 2012. So that means what? You can use it. Even though the support date is completed, you can still use it. But the challenge is if you have any issues, you cannot call to Microsoft. Not only Microsoft support, Microsoft will also release updates, guys. Updates like in the form of service packs, in the form of cumulative updates. Okay, it is going to release some updates. It will stop releasing the updates on the expired products. It don't release the updates for the expired products, guys. Okay, don't release any updates for 2008 R2 now, service packs or cumulative updates. That's it. If any risk is there that you have to bear, that customer has to bear, it don't release any updates for 2008 R2 now. Why? Because the support, extended support date is completed. It don't release any updates for 2008 R2. After next 7 months, it don't release updates for 2012 also, 2012 also, guys. In the same way, we have 2014 till next 2024, it is going to give the support. This is called support and extended support, guys. Is it clear? And if you see here, whenever you install any new software, that is your RTM copy, guys. Whenever you install any new software, that is your RTM copy. Guys, is it clear what is RTM? For the first time you will install SQL Server, right? In the machine. The first copy you can call it as an RTM. On top of RTM, you can have updates. Simply, the simple example is when you install PhonePe app for the first time, that is RTM copy of PhonePe app. Every week or every monthly, you are going to update your PhonePe, right? Those are the extra updates, okay, to fix the security vulnerabilities, to fix the any new features and all. Okay, you can get it by just updating your app. In the same way, we have updates also in the SQL server to fix the security issues and all, security vulnerabilities and all, right? This hackers is trying to hack your SQL servers, right? They will introduce a lot of new virus and all, to get rid of those viruses and all, virus attacks and all. Microsoft will keep releasing these updates, guys, service packs and cumulative updates. It's very important. You have to patch your SQL server with cumulative updates and all. Guys, is it clear? Any issues, any doubts, please let me know, guys. If you are feeling some challenges, or if you are unable to understand these things, let me know, please. Clear, everyone? This is clear, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So RTM copy means released to market or released to manufacture. Okay. So usually this is the refined copy of the SQL server. For every version, each version will have its own RTM copy, guys. When you install the SQL server on your Windows machine, first copy you will install is RTM copy only. On top of RTM, you are going to install your particular updates and all. If any updates are there, you are going to install updates on top of the RTM, guys. Right, fine. So with that note, I'm going to stop here now. Okay, I don't want to load you more today. So tomorrow we'll discuss about these numbers. What is these numbers and all? How to identify which version of SQL Server is running in your machine. How to identify the version easily. So with the help of build numbers, we can identify, guys. Tomorrow I'll explain. Okay, the build numbers and build number format also. It will take some time. Okay, is it clear, guys? Any issues? Any doubts? Any doubts, any challenges, please let me know. Any suggestions? And yeah, please. Guys, what you can do in the meanwhile, just a minute, you can ask your doubts. Just a minute, let me share you one Google form so that once you completed this form, then I'm going to collect all your email IDs and phone numbers, guys, so that I can easily send the recordings, notes and all. Guys, okay. So what I can do, let me share this link in the chat. Just posted one link in the chat, guys, Google Forms. Okay, so there it will ask you your number, right? Your name, your phone number, your email ID, who referred my classes, like you got directly from YouTube or any friend suggested, or you got from LinkedIn advertisement or any other options, who referred. Okay, this my SQL server means our classes, who referred me. Okay, so you can choose the option, and please enter it, guys. Don't miss it. Why? Because I am able to send the recordings, notes and all, right? So please complete this form now, and tomorrow is the last date for demo, guys. Tomorrow is the last demo class, and day after tomorrow onwards, if you are comfortable, if you are interested to continue, then you can ping me and we are going to proceed for the next okay, 1.5 month, guys, right? Please fill the form, and let me know if you are having any issues in submitting the form, guys. Please let me know. I got only 4 responses out of 31. You can see here 4 responses I got, 5 responses I got. Please fill it, guys. Please fill it. It's very important. If you are very much interested, sir, I will continue, sir, then you can confirm by today itself. If you want to take one more day, you can confirm tomorrow also, guys. No issues. But please fill this form. This is very important for me. It don't take much time. Your name, phone number, email ID. If you want to leave it, you can leave this who referred my classes and all. Okay. Seven responses I got, guys. 7 responses, eight responses. Please, I'm waiting. In the meanwhile, you can ask your doubts. If anyone having any doubts, you can ask your doubts, guys, please. I just sent you one link, Rayavati, in the Zoom chat. You got one link. Click on that link. It will open. Try to log in with your Gmail and try to fill the form. That's it. Automatically, I'll get it. Just click on submit, guys. It's very easy. What you can do is just open the chart, copy that link, or just click on that link. Shrikant, I have to check. Let me check it, Shrikant. Till now, who responded? Sanjeev, Usha, Shrikant. Yes, Shrikant, I got your form. Chidanand, Bal Venkatesh, Vamshi, Dhanunjay, Praveena, Maleshwar, Ravindra Reddy, Sachita, Narendra Achari, Panendra, Chandrasekhar, Shivakumar, Satish, Roja, Yatish, Naresh, and Shravan Kumar. All these answers I got it, guys. Still, we have 7 more has to respond. Six more, guys. 6 more. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, those who submitted the form,
Sir,
you
what
can
about RC, sir?
RC. Released
Yes, sir.
candidate. The same, that is the second copy. Okay. Once
Ah.
they fixed all the bugs in the CTP, again they will release the second copy, right? And if still any bugs are there, Microsoft is going to fix it. That is also a second test copy. CTP is your first test copy. RC is your second test copy. They will verify 2 times. Once they confirmed that there are no issues, no bugs, then they will release the third copy as RTM copy. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Sir,
Yes.
sir, each server as a square
Your voice is
code
breaking.
is there, sir. Is sir each SQL server has a some code name, sir.
Yes, you are correct. Microsoft will give you some code. Okay. Just Google it and let me know the code for 2022. Guys, like we have this project Red Dog. Okay, like this, there is a code name for each and every new version, guys. If Microsoft wants to release a new version, for that new version, they will give one code name, like secret operations. We are going to do it, right? Government of India will do secret operations, and for each secret operation, they will give one code name, guys. Okay, in the same way, if Microsoft wants to release any newer version for the secrecy, what they are going to do for each new version, they will give one code name. Okay, let me know. I don't know the exact code name for 2022. Google it and let me know, sir. What is the code name for 2022? Okay. I am not sure whether you can get it in the, what is that? FTOD 2022, na? Steven?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Great. The code name for 2022 is FTOD 2022. Like very good, Steven. It's a useful information. Thank you. Guys, I got all the 30 responses. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to start from the where we left here. Right, additions. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the what is this, bill numbers, guys. Bill numbers and additions of the SQL servers, bill number format. And might be if there is a chance, tomorrow onwards we'll start working on the demos, guys. Okay, we'll create a machine tomorrow, and we are going to start working on building the lab and all. Is that clear? Any issues, any challenges, please let me know, guys. Any challenges, guys? Any challenges? Please let me know. Is that fine, everyone? Any suggestions you want to give, guys, please? No suggestions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. With that note, that's it, guys, today. Okay, tomorrow we'll connect at 7 a.m. and we'll discuss about, okay, our SQL server discussions and all. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
sir. Thanks.
Bye.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Fanendra, just ping me, okay? You have my number, Fanendra? Fanendra? Yeah. You have my number, right? My phone number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just ping me in the WhatsApp. I'll tell you, huh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.